Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to your channel name, where we bring you the most delicious and easy-to-make recipes. Today, we're diving into a classic favorite, vanilla sponge cake. This is the perfect go-to recipe for birthdays, tea parties, or just when you're craving something sweet and fluffy. The best part? You don't need fancy ingredients or skills, just simple pantry staples and a love for baking. So, stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing some secret tips to make your cake extra soft and moist. Let's get baking. Before we start, let's quickly go over what you'll need for this heavenly vanilla sponge cake. Grab your notepad or take a screenshot. Here's what you'll need. 10 ounces or 284 grams. Butter, softened. 10-ounce sugar. 5 eggs. 10 ounces self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. That's it. Simple ingredients for a perfect sponge cake. Now, let's get started with the method. Step 1. Preheat and prepare. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures an even bake. Next, grease your cake pan with butter and lightly dust it with flour. This will prevent the cake from sticking and help it come out smoothly. Step 2. Creaming the butter and sugar. Now, take a large mixing bowl and add in your softened butter and sugar. Using an electric mixer or a whisk, cream them together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial because it incorporates air into the batter, making the cake soft and airy. Step 3. Adding the eggs and vanilla. Next, we'll add the eggs one at a time. This ensures they blend well into the mixture and give the cake a smooth texture. Beat briefly after each addition. And don't forget to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract for that beautiful aroma and flavor. Step 4. Folding in the flour. Now, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Sift in the self-rising flour and a pinch of salt. Sifting helps remove any lumps and aerates the flour, making the cake even lighter. Gently fold it into the wet mixture using a spatula. Avoid overmixing, as it can make the cake dense. Step 5. Pour and tap. Once your batter is smooth and well combined, pour it into your prepared cake pan. Now, here's a pro tip. Tap the cake pan on the kitchen counter a few times. This helps release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring an even texture when baked. Step 6. Bake to perfection. Pop your cake into the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Let it cool for a few minutes before transferring it onto a wire rack. So, what makes this vanilla sponge cake so special? It's incredibly soft, buttery, and full of flavor. Plus, this recipe is foolproof. Even if you're a beginner, you'll get bakery-style results every single time. You can also customize it by adding chocolate chips, lemon zest, or even a layer of fruit jam for extra flavor. The possibilities are endless. Here are some quick tips to make your sponge cake even better. Always use room temperature ingredients. They mix better and create a smoother batter. Don't overmix the batter. Gentle folding ensures a light and fluffy texture. Use an oven thermometer. Sometimes ovens can run hotter or cooler, affecting baking time. If your cake is browning too quickly, cover it loosely with aluminum foil. Let the cake cool completely before slicing. This keeps it from crumbling. And there you have it. Your perfect vanilla sponge cake is ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try because trust me, once you do, you'll never want store-bought cake again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy sponge cake? Thanks for watching and happy baking.